Today's class is a 15-minute bar workout. We call it raising the bar because that's what we do on a daily basis, and so do you. And make sure you subscribe, okay? Before we even get started, we want you to join our team and we want you to never, ever, ever miss a class or a workout. We always have you in mind. And like this class, if you want us to create more Raise the Bar classes for you, okay? All you will need is something that resembles a ballet bar. So it could be a high stool. It could be maybe you're at home and you have an apartment that has a bar area. Anything where that area, whatever it is that you'll be holding on to, is about hip width height, okay? This is a little bit lower, but this will do. You don't want anything lower than that, okay? You ready? I have my socks on, but you can be barefoot, you can have sneakers on, as long as you can articulate your feet, because again, this workout is geared for dancers. Whether you consider yourself a dancer or not, we got you. This is gonna be so good for you for posture and core strengthening. Are you ready? All right, we're gonna take a step back and we're gonna start in the flat back, okay? So what does that mean is that you're going to pull, first and foremost, you're gonna pull your quad up, all right? So your kneecaps are lifted. I want you to pull your sitting bones back towards whatever is behind you. And I want you to lengthen into a flat back, a neutral spine. And I could literally eat a meal off of your back, okay? So here we go, let's get started. Look down at the floor and just listen to my voice as we go. We start with a contraction, exhale on your way up, and release to a flat back. Here we go. And contract here and flatten to that flat back. Contract and flatten. So we're moving slow. So I want you to make sure you're really feeling the floor. Press the toe mounds down. Lift the kneecaps up. Quads are activated. And you're constantly lengthening that spine. Here we go. Let's speed it up. 8, 7. You should be feeling the abdomen firing up. 4, 3. Go really deep into that contraction. Good. Give me 2 more. 1 more. Good. We're gonna add a little like fingertip tap into the ground. Just here, nice and safe. You should feel a shoulder stretch. If this is enough for you, you stay here, or you can add a pulse to intensify that shoulder stretch. And again, I'm still lifting up my quads. I'm pressing my toe mounds down. Sitting bones is pushing back. 4, 3, go back into that contraction. We go contract, release, contract, release. Now, finger tap, finger tap, finger tap, finger tap. Again, contract, release, contract, release. How are those quads? Are they still engaged? Let's add a plie. So I go contract, plie. Plie means to bend the knees. Stay in that plie. 4, 3, 2, 1. Contract, knees straight, knees bent, knees straight, knees bent. Good. We're gonna stay here for 2 more. Contract, plie, so you should feel your abs firing up. Now add that top arm, adding a twist right here. Leg straight, bend, contract through the spine, and a twist, twist. Good. Let's find a release right here. Looking up and back to a contraction. So you're undulating through the front and the back midline. Release, that should feel really good. Lifting up through the kneecaps. 4, 3, 2, good. This time release all the way down. Just let it go. Kneecaps are still lifted, toe mounds are still down. Very good. Bend through the knee, rolling up for 4, 3, good. Take that left leg back, really, really straight, slightly turn out on both legs. We're gonna hold for 8, 7. See if you can stack your shoulders right on top of your hips. I'm turning out on both feet. Now I'm gonna parallel for 8, 7, 6, almost no weight on those hands. We're working that hamstring and that glute. Turn out both feet, heels shift forward, chest comes back. Press that heel down, this leg is straight as steel. Here we go, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, press it back. Woo! 4, 3, 2, let's go. 8, 7, 6. See how light I am on that foot. 6, 7 is your last one on this side. Turn it out. 2, 3, 4. Press that chest back, shoulders right on top of the hips. Stay low on that leg. Stay low. Don't come up and down. I know it burns. I'm here with you. 4, 3, 2, good, and stretch. Find that stretch. It should feel so good. If you can still hold on to that imaginary ballet bar. I want you to push the floor away with the toe mounds. Kneecaps are lifted. Here we go, bend through the knees, roll it up. Bring the feet together. We're gonna take it to the other side. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 8, 7. So I'm trying my best to keep my hips nice and even to that front wall. Turn those toes parallel. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, turn it out. Woo. The lower you go, the harder you're working. Belly button to spine. 8. How long can you make that back leg? Press those heels down, squeeze the glutes. Chest is up, shoulders back. Let's go, stay low on that leg. You see how this quad is not going up and down. I'm sitting low into that glute. Last one, belly button to spine. Turn those toes out. Hold yourself up. It's worth it, I promise. Toes in. 8. Woo! 4, 3, 2, and into that stretch. OMG. Walk yourself down. Run. Heels are down. See if you can find length. It's not about kissing the knee. If you get there one day, great. But when you're stretching, you want to find length, especially as a dancer. We're always in an active stretch. Body's working while you're stretching. Woo! Bend those knees. Roll it up. Facing me, we're gonna work on that turnout. First, just turning out. Toes lift up to close, okay? We're just working on the turnout. Turnout comes from the hip. I want you to think of your femur, your hip socket, and your femur is rotating inside of it. Okay, so imagine that happening as you're turning out. And what helps you do that is squeezing those glutes tight in the back and keeping that engagement so it's the body's nice and still. 4, 3, we're gonna add a plie, which means bending of the knee. Plie, plie. So see if you can come up and down like an elevator. There's no shifting around. Nice and quiet. Keep that going. 8, hand can be on the waist. Good. 4, 3, 2, we're gonna add a releve. Plie, roll through, plie, and straighten. Turn out, plie, roll through, plie, and straighten. Roll in, plie. Woo! Turn out. Good. Same movement, speed it up. Roll, down, straight. Roll, down, straight. Roll, down, straight. Roll. How are those abs? Are they in? Rib cage is in. Shoulders are back. Long neck. Woo! Good. Stay on that releve. Pulse, 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 pulse. Knees are tight. Belly button to the spine. Shoulders back. Good for 8, 7. It burns, right? 6, 5, 4, 3. Heels down. Turn it out. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Now see if your weight can come more towards your big toe. So you're not rolling your ankles backwards. 8, 7. So put most of your weight on the first, second, and third toe. Good. Turn it in. Pulse, 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 and straight. Pulse, 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 and straight. Turn in. Pulse, 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 and in and straight. Good. You're gonna stay turned out from me. We're gonna get lower, lower, and lower, and lower, and lower. Keep those heels up. Look at my shape. And 2. Heels down. Good. Let's do that one more time. That shake means weakness leaving your body, right? That's your body fighting to stay strong and keep you in the shape you're asking for it to stay. Look at the shake, you guys. Woo! Good. Tendus. Tendus, you're gonna keep your legs straight, go out into pretty much a 45-degree angle, and it's as if you're trying to clean the floor with the bottom of the sock. Yeah? Other side. 1, 2. This is so good for your legs. This is so good for your body to find balance, perfect alignment. Your body loves good posture. 4, 3. Good. Watch this. Demi release, demi, and down. Demi point, full point, demi point, and down. Demi. Meanwhile, my glutes are squeezed back here. They're like best friends right now. 3, 2, other side. 1, release, demi, heel down. 1, release, demi, down. 1, release, demi, shoulders are down, neck is long. 4, 3, 2, good. We're gonna add a little thing. 1, release, out, hold, bring it back, down, again. 1, point, release. See if you can hold that 45-degree angle. Bring it in, down, again. 1, 2, release. Push that heel down. Bring it in, demi, and down. Last time. 4, 3, 2, hold. 4, 3, good. Other side. Thank God we only have 2 legs. Imagine if we were octopus. This would suck. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, release. And 4, 3, 2, 2 more for me. Press that heel down into the floor. Drill it into the floor. 4, 3, 2, squeeze those glutes so tight. It's crazy how much you're sweating right now, right? And we're not even jumping around. 3, 2, good. Release it, tendu. 1, you already found this position, get there. Other side, tendu. 45, down, ha, down, up, down, ha, so good. 4, this is 3, woo, 2, this is your last one on each side. Lift, good. 4, 3, now just get there from me. Out, zip it in. Out, zip it in. You can even let go of that bar. Such a good challenge for bar. So I'm drilling my heel down. You know when Michael Jackson used to dance, and he does that famous lean? The stage actually had pins that would come up and hold his shoes in place, and the dancers, right? That's why they could do that magical lean. I want you to pretend we have screws coming up your heels and holding you straight. Here we go, faster. Ha, ha, drill those heels down. Ha, midline is perfectly still. 7, 8, or 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, rise from me and squeeze. I want you to pretend you have a little tennis ball in between your thighs. Squeeze it like you're trying to crack like a walnut. Weight is mostly on the front of the toes, right? Big toe, second and third toe. Heel down, shake it off. Woo, this is the last part of our workout. I'm gonna angle myself so you can see it. It's gonna be a little tough, okay? You just hang with me. Here we go. Let's get ready for it. In 4, 3, you're gonna raise that left leg parallel. Hold for 2, then I want you to turn it out for 2. Hold for 2, turn it out for 2. So when I say turn it out, that means I push my knee down towards the floor, but I bring my heel up towards the ceiling. Now watch to the back. Back, and turn it out. Parallel. I am literally pushing my belly button towards my spine as hard as I possibly can, focusing on that glute. Good, bring it forward, single count. 1, 1, 1, keep that hip bone down. 1, 1, 1, 4 more from me. 4, shoulders back and down. 3, let the work be on your lower body. Up here, tension up here will not help you. Down, turn out. Down, shoulders are even. I'm not twisting like this. Shoulders and hip bones, equal distance from the floor. See if you can keep the height of this leg. 4, 3, 2, now 4, arm up. 4, 3, 2, abs in, 1, to the back. Parallel, turn it out. Parallel, turn it out. Parallel, turn it out. Only 2 to the front. 2, 2 to the back. 2, turn it out. Flat back, belly button to spine. 2 more. 2 more to the back now. Ha, ha, ha. So good. Shake it off. I'm gonna take it to the other side, okay? I'm gonna move my chair. Woo! Just so you can see me. 8, 7. You already know where to go? Let's get there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Parallel, parallel. Turn it out. So let's go through the cues. Turning out means I push my knee down to the floor, but my heel comes up towards the ceiling. So there's this beautiful opposite energy. 3, 2, 1. Let's take it to the back. Parallel and straight. So this arm, holding on to whatever it is that you're holding on, make sure it's comfortable next to you, that you're not squeezing that elbow back too much. Too good. Let's speed it up. Woo! Parallel. Turn it out. Parallel. Turn it out. Parallel. Lift up that supporting kneecap. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Flat back it. 8. Turn it out. 7. Turn it out. 6. Form over everything, okay? Once your form is solid, then you can work on the height of that leg. Let it shake. We're only gonna do 4 now. Arm up. 4. Turn it out. 3. Out. 2. Out. 1. Almost there. Parallel. Turn it out. Parallel. Turn it out. Parallel. Parallel. Turn out for 2. Parallel. Turn out. Parallel. Turn out. Parallel. Turn out. Parallel. Turn out. Last one. Parallel. Turn it out. Woo! And 4, 3, 2, 1. OMG. Did you feel that? It's not only the leg that's working, that supporting leg was on fire. I hope you felt that. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale. Your legs should feel so good right now. And if you're really working your abs and your back, your posture should feel significantly different than how you started. Let that head go to one side. Big inhale from me. Breathe into the belly. Exhale. Other side, maybe go through center. Big inhale. Big exhale. And just one final stretch together. We used our legs a lot. We used our core a lot. So I just want you to use your hands to hold the weight, right? So you can allow the hips to just sink. It should feel like a hammock. You should feel so warm right now. Your stretch is probably way deeper if you would have done this before class. Add a twist just to give that back some love. That should feel really, really good. Again, my weight is on the palm of my hands, so my hips can just hammock down. And one more for the other side. Big inhale and big exhale. Woo! You did it. Thank you so much. Make sure if you have not subscribed, press the subscribe button. We would love to keep in touch with you. And let us know if you like this class, press that like button. That will let us know to create more, okay? Be good to yourself. We'll see you next class.